Barbour jackets, known for their waxed cotton construction, are iconic for their durability and weatherproof qualities, often passed down through generations. The wax coating, usually applied with Barbour wax stormproof dressing, keeps the jacket water resistant, but over time it wears off, so it needs rewaxing. Rewaxing doesn't just help the jacket last longer, it also makes it look better, giving the unique patina as it ages. To rewax your Barbour jacket at home, you will need use a damp sponge and cold water to wipe off dirt. Never use soap or detergent, they will strip the wax. Let the jacket dry completely before moving on. Before applying the wax, it needs to be softened for easy spreading. Here's what wax looks like before it melts down into liquid. Place the closed tin of wax in about hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This turns from thick paste into a smooth liquid, making application much easier. The wax should be soft, but not boiling hot. Once the wax is melted and liquid, dip a soft cloth or sponge into the softened wax. Start applying a thin, even layer onto the jacket in circular motions. Pay extra attention to the seams, pockets, and creases, and these areas wear off fastest. If the wax starts to harden, reheat it in hot water. After applying wax, use the hair dryer on medium heat to have it absorb into the fabric. Keep the dryer a few inches away and move it in circular motions. This melts the wax further, making it penetrate the cotton evenly. Use a clean sponge to wipe off any extra wax and spread it evenly. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear care tips. Once done, hang the jacket in warm, dry place for 12 to 24 hours. Slice the wax fully side. Avoid touching or folding it until it's completely dry. And that's it. Your Barbour jacket is fully relaxed, looking fresh and ready for the elements.